You might already know what you can do with lead lists. Create static and dynamic lists, perform bulk actions, export records, add tags, and export with field control, run workflows and email campaigns on a list. Now you can do the same with your opportunities. Introducing opportunity lists. Group opportunities, act on them together. Create static, dynamic, or empty lists under any opportunity type. Then search, export, and perform bulk actions across the whole list. Start with the condition builder. Use advanced search criteria across any opportunity field. Preview the matches before you commit. Then save it as a static list that holds still or a dynamic one that keeps itself current. Every opportunity type gets its own lists page, sitting right next to lead lists, exactly where you'd expect to find it. Then act on the whole list, bulk update status or stage across every record, or export just the fields you need and nothing more. There's more. 3 list types: controlled exports, tag, clone, and hide. And coming soon, workflow automations and email campaigns run straight from your lists. Opportunity lists. Available now